Miss House.
Hi.
You ready for your appointment today?
I think so.
Great. So, any concerns you want to address with me right off the bat here?
Lately I've been having a weird taste in my mouth that I think kind of has an odor to it. And I only say this because recently my boyfriend doesn't even want to kiss me anymore. And none of my friends will talk close to me.
That's definitely a common problem.
You smell anything?
It's definitely a common issue that I see among patients, slight halitosis or a bad odor, foul mouth breath. But we have several options that we can help treat this for you this afternoon to go ahead and resolve that. As far as just keeping your regular at-home care, at optimal, just brushing your teeth at least twice a day, flossing, and then a really good alcohol rinse really will keep that bacteria level low, so it'll decrease the amount of bad breath you're having going on.
Okay.
So just really trying to keep that bacteria level low is the main goal, but we also have some different things that we can suggest, such as Xylitol Mints and Gum. Have you ever heard of it?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So Xylitol, instead of your regular brand of gum or mints that you get from the store, Xylitol is actually not, it's better, we recommend it because it doesn't have the sugar in it, which actually causes more caries in your mouth. So xylitol is actually an alcohol sugar, and it's used as a sweetener in these gums, so it's actually going to help reduce the rate of caries in your mouth instead of increase it. So it's a great alternative than using your regular Orbit or whatever other types of gum there are. So I highly recommend it. There are some disadvantages to using it. For me, I noticed that the taste of the gum is not as vibrant as your Colgate or whatever you're going to find in the store, and it wears off really
So
quickly.
I can chew it then like all day, every day.
No, I
to
wouldn't
keep the
recommend
flavor.
this either as well, just because if you chew too much and you have too much xylitol in your system, you're going to get gas and bloating and possibly diarrhea as well, just because
But then my friends
very hard on
still
your
won't
stomach
want to
as
hang
well.
out with me.
No, it'll definitely resolve the problems. So I would definitely keep some mints and the gum with you, and it'll also help remineralize the surface of your tooth because it has a certain molecule in it, a tridentate ligand actually, which helps with remineralization because it increases the amount of calcium ions transporting in your system, and this is what actually helps remineralize your tooth structure.
So it does so much more.
I know, yeah, there are so many
more.
more benefits just than preventing your bad breath, but this is just one thing we can do. Really a good at-home oral care and getting your teeth cleaned today are really going to help.
So could I suggest this to my mom? She has diabetes, but is there any?
The only thing is some studies have shown that it does increase blood glucose levels, which would not be, it's not recommended for anybody with diabetes, unfortunately, yeah. So that's one thing we would not want to recommend for her, but there are other options that I could speak with her about as well that would treat that in her as well. So we're definitely going to resolve this for you so you can get to be with your boyfriend and your friends.
Yay!